8421. A pinion gear with 14 teeth is driving a spur gear with 42 teeth at 140 revolutions per minute. Determine the speed of the pinion gear. A. 588 revolutions per minute. B. 420 revolutions per minute. C. 126 revolutions per minute. The correct answer is B. The speed ratio is the reciprocal of the gear ratio. The spur gear with 42 teeth is driven by a pinion gear of 14 teeth. This is a gear ratio of 3:1. The spur gear will turn at 1 divided by 3 the speed of the pinion gear. If the spur gear turns at a speed of 140 revolutions per minute, the pinion gear will have to turn at a speed of 420 revolutions per minute. 8422. The parts department's profit is 12% on a new part. How much does the part cost if the selling price is $1.45.60? A. $128.13. B. $125.60. C. $130. The correct answer is C. Let's call the cost price multiplied by. If the profit is 12% of the cost price, then the profit would be 0.12x. We can set up an equation to represent this. Selling price equals cost price plus profit $145.60 equals x plus 0.12 multiplied by simplifying the equation. $145.60 equals 1.12 multiplied by to find the cost price. We can divide both sides of the equation by 1.12x equals $130. 8423. If an engine is turning 1,965 revolutions per minute at 65% power, what is its maximum RPM? A. 2,653. B. 3,023. C. 3,242. The correct answer is B. To find the maximum RPM, we need to use the following formula. Ma multiplied by RPM equals RPM at 100% power/% power. We are given that the engine is turning at 1,965 revolutions per minute at 65% power. So, plugging in the values, Ma multiplied by RPM equals 1,965 divided by 0.6, 5 Ma multiplied by RPM equals 3,023. 8424. An engine of 98 horsepower maximum is running at 75% power. What is the horsepower being developed? A. 87.00. B. 33.30. C. 73.50. The correct answer is C. To find the horsepower being developed, we need to use the following formula. Horsepower developed equals maximum horsepower x percent power. We are given that the maximum horsepower is 98 and the engine is running at 75% power. So plugging in the values, horsepower developed equals 98 multiplied by 0.75 horsepower developed equals 73.5. 8425. A blueprint shows a hole of 0.17187 to be drilled. Which fraction size drill bit is most nearly equal? A. 11 divided by 64. B. 9 divided by 32. C. 11 divided by 32. The correct answer is A. To determine the most nearly equal fraction size drill bit, we need to find the fraction size that is closest to 0.17187. We can convert 0.17187 to a fraction by multiplying it by 64 divided by 64, which is equivalent to multiplying by 1. To get 0.17187 multiplied by 64 divided by 64 equals 10.99568 divided by 64 to simplify this fraction. We can divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor of 16, which gives us 10.99568 divided by 64 equals 0.17187 divided by 164 divided by 16 equals 410.99568 divided by 64 equals 0.17187 divided by 1 equals 10,995.68 divided by 64,000.